Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you how to build this high voltage power supply that has an output of around 300 volts from an input of 9 volts. This is the schematic and the parts list. We need a transformer. This is a common transformer, only we need a center tap in the secondary because here we apply the input voltage, positive and negative at this point. We can supply to the circuit between 3 and 15 volts DC. It is basically an electronic oscillator that produces pulsating DC that is fed to the transformer secondary, and the transformer does its job and raises the voltage. So here we will obtain a much higher voltage than the supply voltage. We get high frequency AC at these points, but if we want DC, we just need to connect a rectifier at the output. Here's my circuit, including the rectifier to obtain DC. Of course, if you don't use a rectifier, you will get AC at the output. The voltage at the output depends on the particular transformer that you are using. In my case, this is a 6 volts transformer. This is the secondary. You can see that it has 3 wires because we have a center tap, which is the point where we connect the positive of the power supply. And this is the primary. It also has 3 wires because this particular transformer can work with 110 volts or 220 volts at the input. Okay, let's test our circuit to see what voltages do we get. I'm going to turn on the power supply. At 1 volt, we get 20 volts at the output of our power supply. And we can increase the voltage. For example, at 5 volts, we get 180, and 9 volts we get more than 300 volts, and we can increase the voltage up to around 16 volts, and we get 600 volts at the output. As we could see, this power supply can give you voltages from 20 to 600 volts. So you can use it for a wide range of projects that do not require a lot of current. You can obtain from 2 to 3 watts from this power supply. I plan to use it to turn on this illumination unit from an old DVD player. Let's see, I'm going to turn on the power supply, and you can see I'm going to increase the voltage. And of course the illumination is higher. It is a very soft light, excellent for reading, for example. So there it is. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please also visit my Patreon page if you want to help me, and see you in the next video.